In the previous video, we looked at more advanced text effects like sci-fi, screen print, and western, and talked about the different situations where they work best. In this video, we're going to continue exploring a few more effects and the types of designs they're most suited for. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with the graffiti effect. The graffiti text style works best on urban or textured backgrounds such as concrete walls, brick textures, or street-style visuals. These types of backgrounds help reinforce the street art aesthetic. You'll also want to use bold and vibrant colors to make the text stand out, similar to real graffiti art. Because of this style, the graffiti effect is perfect for streetwear designs, music-related graphics, and urban-themed visuals. It's also a great option for posters, album covers, and promotional graphics that need an energetic or rebellious look. Next, we have the bubble effect. The bubble text style focuses on a soft, rounded, and playful look, so it works best with bright and colorful backgrounds that match its fun aesthetic. Using light and vibrant colors helps enhance the bubbly appearance and makes the text feel more friendly and approachable. Because of this, the bubble effect is perfect for kids' content, playful social media graphics, and fun theme designs. It also works really well for stickers, posters, and digital illustrations. Finally, we have the aerobics text style. This effect is inspired by retro fitness and 80s style typography, so it works best with dark or gradient backgrounds that highlight the glowing script. Using neon or bright colors helps recreate that classic retro fitness aesthetic. Because of its nostalgic style, the aerobics effect works great for retro-themed graphics, event posters, and lifestyle-related designs. It's also a strong choice for promotional visuals and social media graphics that want a vintage yet energetic feel. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it for another set of Canva's advanced text effects. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more of these effects and look at even more design situations where they work best. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.